So to start the practice, you can sit in a chair, on a couch, even lie down if you like to, but just in a nice, relaxed, comfortable place. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing that. And we're going to start with taking these long, slow, deep breaths that we discussed. So breathing in through the nose for 4, 5, maybe 6 seconds. Down into the belly. Then holding the breath for a few seconds. And breathing out through a small hole in your lips. Maybe 7, 8 seconds. So continuing to breathe this way throughout the practice. And on the exhale, let your shoulders drop. You can even wiggle them around a little bit if you need. Let some of that tension fade away. Check in with your body. See if you notice any areas where you're holding on to a lot of tension. And then the best you can on the exhale. Just breathing out that tension, just consciously relaxing it the best you can. Just notice the weight of your body against the couch or the chair. Just the way you're being held effortlessly. Notice the feeling of your feet against the ground. Just that slight pressure where your feet make contact with the ground. And if you notice that your mind is wandering off or getting caught in worries, just taking note of that, it's fine. But then coming back to the breath and getting in touch with this feeling of relaxation in your body. Just breathing out any tension. Noticing any sounds that are around you. Just being present right here, right now where you are. And so before we finish up, let's take one more of these breaths together. And this time on the exhale, just a really long, slow, full exhale. And when you're done exhaling, you can pull your belly back towards your spine and see if you can release even more of that stale air. And then at that time, holding your breath and see if you can notice this sense of stillness. And when it starts to become even slightly uncomfortable, Just going back to breathing naturally. So let's take one more breath. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and finish up the practice.